Welcome to Mind of Man. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down the unspoken rules of attraction and connection. And if you've been with us for a while, welcome back. You already know we go deeper than surface level advice. So let's get into today's topic. Some men walk into a room and instantly have women curious about them. And it's not because they're the most handsome or the richest. It's because they understand things that most men overlook. Today, I'm revealing the 3 things men know that make women instantly attracted. And the last one might surprise you. 1. They understand emotional safety is the real attraction. Attraction isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional. Men who create a sense of emotional safety for women, without being clingy or overprotective, become someone she feels drawn to again and again. This doesn't mean letting her walk all over you. It means you're grounded, secure in yourself, and your mood isn't dictated by her mood. You don't explode when things get tense, and you don't crumble when things get quiet. She realizes she can express herself without fear of judgment, manipulation, or drama, and that's rare. Rare equals valuable. 2. They know how to create mystery without playing games. Mystery is not about being distant, it's about being multidimensional. These men have lives, goals, and passions outside of the relationship. They aren't glued to their phone waiting for her texts, and they don't overshare every detail of their day. Instead, they leave just enough space for curiosity to grow. She feels like there's always more to discover about them, and discovery is addictive. This keeps attraction alive long after the initial spark. 3. They master the art of leading without controlling. A man who can lead makes decisions with confidence, but still listens to her input. He's decisive when it matters, knows how to plan, and isn't afraid to take initiative. Whether it's choosing the restaurant or making bigger life moves, he does it with a calm certainty. The key is leadership without ego. You guide, not dictate. Women are drawn to this because it signals strength, security, and vision, all qualities that make her see you as the man she wants to follow. If you can master these 3 things, emotional safety, a sense of mystery, and confident leadership, you'll stand out instantly in a world full of men competing for attention. And if you want to go even deeper into this topic, check out my video How to Make Her Choose You, even when she has options, where I break down the psychology behind standing out in her mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new drop.